Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change Bigo Live ID. So just to do that, go ahead and open up your Bigo Live application and the user interface will be appear like this. And on the bottom right corner, you can see the Me option. Go ahead and tap on it. And here on the top right corner, you can see the little profile icon. Tap on it. Now it will take you to your profile. Now again tap on that little pencil icon which is appear on the top right corner. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can see your information. Now go ahead and tap on the Bigo ID. So here what it says is user can find you easily by search your ID. You can't change it after set. So you cannot change it after setting it for one. So let's set the ID. So if you try here, as you can see on my screen that we cannot change the user ID because I have already set my Bigo ID, as you can see right there. So that's all guys, there is no other option to change your Bigo ID. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.